Okay, you're gonna tell us indoor gardens are gadgets. Because as the wonderful urban gardeners you are, you want more. More fresh salads, more basil, more tomatoes, and no more bags of almost fresh chives, bagged lettuce, and soggy radishes. You want to cook well and eat healthy.
Tell me about it.
You want to be your own chef.
I am a chef.
But to be one, you're missing a nice outdoor garden, and your indoor garden just isn't cutting it. Here we come. Hello, Multo. With Multo, you can grow 20 to 60 plants and enjoy an abundance of homegrown herbs, salads, and vegetables all the time. Just here in your very own kitchen, right before your eyes. No need for a patio or rooftop. Multo can fit anywhere in your home, big or small, and is totally flexible to be used at your own rhythm. Doesn't matter if you are single, with a partner, with family, or even own your own restaurant. Let the chef speak for himself. Pesto presto.
J'adore le principe de les faire pousser sur place, ici dans le restaurant. Ça rentre bien dans ma philosophie et mon engagement de limiter l'empreinte carbone, donc d'avoir les fleurs à disposition plutôt que de leur faire le tour de la planète. Je sais que la clientèle en plus est réceptive. La nature, de toute façon, je la trouve belle déjà d'origine, donc le fait de l'avoir dans sa cuisine comme ça, c'est génial. Surtout à Paris, quoi.
More plants for your cuisine, and it's as simple as it gets. Insert the pod, turn on the smart light via your Connect app, and add water and nutrients. And there you have it. As simple as it seems, over 6 years of R&D and more than 200,000 smart gardens sold and millions of plants grown, Multo is the first ever personal vertical farm system to integrate ebb and flow technology.
What?
Here's Romaine, our super founder, to explain.
We are very excited to bring this ebb and flow professional technology into your homes. But how does it work? Just like the ocean tide, the water level goes up and down periodically, thanks to a submerged pump that is automatically activated. This movement creates a general circulation around the roots, renewing the nutrients and the oxygen at each cycle. It's the most effective way to have a super healthy environment for the roots, and thus thriving plants. The result? A yield up to 200% more than current indoor gardens. Look at it, parsley.
This special technology opens up new possibilities for plants to grow. With Multo, in addition to fresh herbs and salads, say hello to beans, zucchini, jalapenos, leafy greens, and more. But wait, there's even more.
Even more?
We added a system with several modular trays. The basic large plant tray is designed so that salads, herbs, mini fruits, and vegetables don't get in each other's way. The nursery tray will help you kickstart growing your next plants, while optimizing the space during their germination phase when they are still small. Speaking of small things, we have also created a special tray for growing microgreens, those cool superfoods, small in size, but huge in taste and nutritional properties. Because ultra-crisp red radishes are better, we designed a special root vegetable radish tray with a larger surface for potting soil for them to grow as big as possible. Enough to cook your everyday meals and snacks as you need, whenever you want.
With Multo, we finally reached the goal we set for Prêt, Pousser, to have a real impact on your daily food. More local, more sustainable, more tasty. So back us today and join the Multo revolution.
Multo, salads, herbs, and vegetables all year round, grown at home.